Hey, so we're still talking about some just basics of statistics. So let's continue on. In this lecture, we're going to be talking about descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and observational studies and experimental studies. All right, so descriptive statistics. That consists of methods for organizing and summarizing information. So that can include the graphs, the charts, and the tables that we're going to do in the next chapter, and the calculation of various descriptive measures such as averages, measures of variation, percentiles, which we'll do in the third chapter. So that's really just describing, like descriptive is describing a sample or a population. So for example, the St. John household has a mean height of 5.89 inches. That describes my household entirely. The most registered breed of dog with the American Kennel Club is a Labrador Retriever. Again, it's describing the most registered breed out of everyone. And the Hershey's Kiss has 22 calories. Again, describing a thing. So inferential statistics then consist of methods for drawing and measuring the reliability of conclusions about a population obtained from a sample. So this is inferring information. So it's as if we have this population and we're taking this sample and we're going to describe the population based on the sample. So, for example, there are approximately 39.6% of Americans that are obese. We can't say all Americans, right? There's no way to look at every single American to see if they are obese, so this is an approximation. The average resting heart rate for adults is between 60 and 100 beats per minute. Again, we don't know every adult, so we can't say for exact, that is it. And there are 511,277 voters from the latest poll that considers themselves libertarian. So notice it's a poll and it's describing the voters. So, all right, so here's our decision. The average age of the students in this statistics class is 21 years. Right, so that should be descriptive because it's talking about the students in this class. This is inferential because we don't know exactly what it is, or we don't know how many tickets are going to be taken in all. So again, inferential. There's no way to say exactly that exercise will get you a promotion or not get you a promotion, right? We can't say that overall and in general. So this is inferring. And the last one, of course, is descriptive because it's talking about they know how many registered voters there are and exactly how many voted in the latest primary. The next section on this is the observational study and experimental study. So observational studies are just when you observe something and you can take measurements, but you're observing. You're not doing anything to a person. And because of that, you can only reveal an association, right? I can say, it looks like if you drink coffee, you're going to be short, right? I can't force children to drink coffee in order for them to see if it's going to cause them to be short. If I could do that, if that was ethical, then I could do a designed experiment study. And that's where I would impose treatments and controls and then observe and take measurements. So this I can help establish causation. So let's do some examples to see if we can figure out if it's observation or experiment. So hopefully you just saw that as an observation. You can't force 65-year-olds or older to do anything that could cause them to die, right? So just observational. Again, observational. The teacher is just observing if students got on their phone. This is an experiment. So the teacher knew before she posted her lectures online what the test scores were and then after. So that is an experiment. Again, an experiment. You're imposing either meditation or hard rock. Again, this is observation. Wouldn't it be ethical to force a woman to go through menopause? All right, that is it for this section on the statistics basics.